The Wise money transfer service, formerly TransferWise, is one of the most used money transfer services. Today, I'm here to help you learn how to transfer money from Wise to Wise, which is an easy, free, and instant way to transfer money online. To send money to someone's Wise account directly, the person must have got a Wise account, and they should be discoverable on Wise. Like, you should be able to find them on Wise. And for your recipient to be found on Wise, all what they need to do is to come over their name when they log in into the account, then come to settings. Here in settings, they should come over where it says contacts on Wise. They should click on it. Then here, they should enable these two options, like the email address and also the phone number. People will be able to discover them on Wise and be able to send money to them just using their phone number or email address. So your recipient should be able to do that. Like, if you want to send money to their Wise account directly, absolutely for free and instantly. So in order to send money, all what you need to do is to come and press on send over here. When you are on your home page, just come and press on send. So here you're going to be provided with different options to pay for this money transfer you're about to make. So you can send money directly from your local bank account, or you can use your Wise balances. Like, if you have got money on Wise, you can just use that money to send it to another person's Wise account. Then over here, all what you need to do is to enter the amount in here and also come and choose the currency in here, like the country you want to send money to. But it doesn't even matter so much since you are sending money directly to someone's Wise account. All what we would do is to come and press on same currency over here. We are going to be sending to their USD balance as well. Then we just enter the amount in here. Then we just need to come and press on continue. Over here, you need to enter your recipient's details. Normally, you would go like with new recipient. Like, if you were sending money to their bank account, you would come over here, press new recipient. Then here you can choose someone else. Then you would enter like their account details, like their bank information and personal information in here, like if you are sending money to their bank account. But for us today, we are going to be sending money directly like to their Wise account. So like, we don't need any of their bank information or wire transfer information or SWIFT information. So all what you need is any of the following: the recipient's name, email address or phone number. Then you'll be able to send money to that person if you have got any of this information. So I'm going to enter like the recipient's email address in here. Then you'll be able to proceed with this money transfer. Upon entering the email address, you'll be able to see it says on Wise, meaning this person is on Wise. You just need to select like their account. Over here, you just need to review the details of the transfer you're about to make. You can see that we are sending 30 USD, and like when you look at total fees over here, it is 0. Like, we are paying nothing in fees because we are sending money directly to someone's like Wise account. So you're not going to be paying anything in fees. And when you scroll down, you can see like the recipient's details. If anything is wrong, you can edit, you can change over here. And also, you can schedule the transfer if you want to. So if everything is okay, you just need to come down and then come and press on confirm and continue. So we have reached the final step where we need to pay for this money transfer to complete it. So you can either pay with your Wise balance and you're going to be paying nothing in fees if you have got money on your Wise account, or you can connect your bank account like an automatic bank transfer when you choose this option. Or you can use a wire transfer where you need to transfer money manually from your bank account to the bank account of Wise. These payment options are going to differ from country to country. In other countries, you'll be able to pay with your MasterCard or Visa card, like just over here like on Wise, and the transaction is going to be processed automatically. So in this video, I'm going to be using my Wise balance to complete this transfer. So I'll just need to come and press on finish and pay. So I need to enter my Wise password and press on done. I'm going to receive an OTP code, so I just need to enter it in here to confirm this transaction. After entering the code, just press on done one more time. As simple as you have seen, the money transfer has been completed. Like, we have been able to send the money directly to our recipient's Wise account.